Hey guys, how are you doing? I thought of doing what's in my bag video today, given that it's pandemic and I'm due to travel abroad. But even if I'm not traveling abroad, this is pretty much on an everyday basis that I carry. When I'm traveling abroad, I usually keep a notepad and a pen also, because you have to fill up so many forms and documents. They might need you to sign something, or you might want to take note or something like that. So in addition to whatever I'm going to show you in my bag today, those are the only two things that I carry extra. Otherwise, and of course there will be uh, money also, additional money, the foreign currency. But usually when I'm in India, this is what all I'm carrying these days when I'm out and about. So this bag I bought recently, and I got a deal on Amazon. So it was, they said it is deal of the day, and it was for I think $800. And they said it's leather, but I don't know, even if it's not leather, it's okay, because it's a sturdy bag. It has traveled with me a bit, and it has stood its ground. So the bag itself is like a simple tote bag. It has a huge pocket here outside, and then there is a main compartment which opens with a chain, and then there are so many small pockets and a compartment, and the side compartment, which almost every bag has. But it's very spacious. Like, if you can see, two zipped compartments are there, and then two open compartments are there. In addition to that, there is a big, huge, uh, outside pocket. So let's start with the outside pocket itself. I'll tell you will see how huge it is based on what all comes out of it. Okay, so pandemic, you need to have a wipe, right? A handy wipe. Like, this is a sanitizer wipe, but usually I carry um, your sterilizing wipes, the ones which you use for electronics and all of that. So there are like two three pouches, small pouches of those in this pocket, but for now I'm carrying only this. Then there is this fabric spray. So if you're going out and when you go back home, you might not be, or if you're visiting someone, you might not be in a position to change your clothes immediately. So this is what I use to spray on the clothes. Then, of course, if you're sitting anywhere, you want to wipe the surfaces, you want to wipe your hands, this comes in handy. Like, earlier, I used to carry a wipe for makeup remover, then there would be wiping hands, this, that, and then there would be a disinfectant, Clorox, this thing for wiping the surfaces. I switched to Dettol, and I'm using it like for everything, and so far it has not caused any problems. So this is the wipe that I use. Then, of course, you need a pair of gloves, because if you're going shopping, you're going to touch things. You need a pair of gloves, and this is like a disposable pair, right? So I use it once, and then I just throw it away. This is something that I don't reuse, and I don't keep it in the pocket once I have used it. So wear your gloves, do whatever you have to do, go back home and first throw away the gloves. These don't go back in the bag, right? The used ones will not go back in the bag. Then, of course, you need a simple jhula kind of thing. You never know what you will end up shopping, right? So this is just a normal polyester. It's a sturdy this thing. I'll show you. It's just normal, shopping bag kind of thing to carry your veggies or anything that you want to buy on the go. So all this is just handy outside. Mm. And finally, you have the sanitizer. So I keep the sanitizer also. So all these things, are in the outside pocket. So I don't even have to like touch inside of the pockets or anything. Everything is outside. And then once you're done, going out, you just spray this inside of this thing, and that should be good enough to sanitize your outside pocket, because this is the only surface that you're going to touch with, possibly contaminated hands. And then there is this main compartment that I was showing earlier. So this is very convenient because this is like a single chain, there is no confusion in which pocket what I have put. And once you open it, it's pretty straightforward, it's simple. Like if you see, this pocket is for medicines, and my specs are here, and then hand cream is also here, because once you apply the sanitizer, or if you're washing your hands multiple times, you do need a hand cream. At least I am needing it more frequently than I used to. So there is this hand cream. Of course, I have my specs, which are very dirty. I'll clean them now. And then the regular medicines, like if you I because of the sanitizer and washing hands, my hands are behaving funky, so I need these handy plasts very often these days, because otherwise the skin cracks. Then this is for toothache. If your tooth starts aching all of a sudden or something like that, you have this powder. I also carry Combiflam in case if I'm feeling tired or anything. Sometimes you feel tired and you're so tired that you can't do anything. So when you're about to wrap up your day, just take one of these, or feel a bit relaxed, and you can go to sleep. You can take a sound sleep after this. But I mean, this is not something you can buy OTC, so be careful with that. Now these days, I've also started this Coronil, so I always carry one dose with me. So it's like three times a day you have to take it, and then there is a nasal oil kind of thing that you have to put in your nose. That needs to be done in the morning, but throughout the day, at least one dose I keep, so that if I don't reach back home in time, I have this dose with me. So it is like three times a day, these four tablets, right? And plus that nose oil. So I'm sticking to that. And then because you are out and about, your head might ache, and if your head is aching, you can't concentrate on anything else, so I carry these two. I mean, as you can see, I have put this for almost a month here, and I've still not used it, but they still remain in the bag. Then this was the bag I was showing you. And then in the next bag is all electronics. This is the battery backup, with the cord, and I have my earphones. This is all that I carry. So the phone with which I'm recording this video, the battery backup, the power bank, and this thing. So all this stays in this bag only. There is no check-in of battery or power bank or anything like that. Because the summers are approaching, you need sunglasses, so I have sunglasses. This is my makeup pouch. I carry this. It's not transparent because I don't want to show people what all I carry. So this is just a makeup bag. And then this is the main compartment where I keep critical things. So there is a spare house key that is there, and there is a spare mask, because if I forget my mask or something like that, then I need a new mask, because I'm not at all moving out and about without a mask. If I'm outside of the house, I'm always wearing the mask, so I always keep this one to spare in case if I forget the one which I was wearing anywhere, so I quickly can reach out to this one and reach out and grab this one. Now the middle compartment is very important, but I can't show you much of it, because see, there is a wallet. अब wallet में क्या होता है, there are cards and there is cash, so that is that. And then there is ID, right? So I don't know why, but somehow I end up carrying my passport even in India. So yeah, this is the ID. And then there is There is an handkerchief. I don't know why, but I feel comfortable and confident if there is a handkerchief in my bag. Yeah, strange, right? Yeah. And then this one, lifeline. If I need one, I have one. Yeah, so as you can see, it's all empty now, and it does carry quite a lot of things, as you can see, right? So all these things, and plus there would be usually a notepad and a pen, like I was saying earlier. And that's all that I'm carrying. So do let me know like what all you carry. The only new additions are these with in the pandemic, right? Only new additions are these, and of course there is that sanitizing wipe. I mean sterilizing wipes is also there. And yeah, that's all. So let me know. I'll leave the link for the bag in the description in case if anyone wants to buy. It's a great bag. I mean, the quality is good. The bag is sturdy. It can carry 3 to 4 kgs of weight in addition to what all I'm carrying here. Um, Alright, guys. I hope this helps. And if you want to buy something out of these, let me know and I can respond on the comments. Bye.